Welcome!
I'm Janice.
And I'm Yuna.
And today, we're going to show you all the ways you can utilize a facial oil.
Yep, today we're featuring FaceTory's oats oil. So just keep watching!
Combine your facial oil with your moisturizer. Now this is really good for when your skin is feeling dull or dry. Just squeeze a bit of the moisturizer on the back of your hand and add a couple drops of the oil, then just mix and apply.
Use it as a spot treatment. Depending on your skin's condition for the day, you can use it all over your face or as a spot treatment. For example, if you're dealing with hyperpigmentation, acne, or redness, we recommend applying the oats oil on those specific areas to help calm and even out the skin.
Apply it as a moisturizer. Now, a lot of us who are oily and combo skin types love using it this way. Just apply one or more layers of the oil depending on what your skin needs.
Mix it in with your foundation. For a natural dewy look, mix in a few drops of oats oil to your foundation. This will help give you light coverage throughout the day without making you feel like you're wearing too much makeup.
Lastly, give your skin a gentle massage. Just add a couple drops of the oil on your face, and once your face has a nice slick to it, start massaging by gently patting your fingers like you're softly playing the piano. This is really good for a relaxing experience and also helps to invigorate the skin. And if you have a jade roller, try using that too.
We hope that these tips will help you out the next time you're using your FaceTory oats oil. Thanks for watching, and as always,
Just keep glowing. Bye!